Good morning, fellow Coursera learners. I am now recording a video of myself here in the house because our classes has ended. Our students had already went somewhere for their summer vacation, so I decided to record a video of myself here. I hope you will appreciate it. Thank you in advance. Okay, so let's start. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so did you read the story A Mad Tea Party homework that I gave you yesterday? Remember?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I asked you to read page 38 of your book. Okay, this is the story of A Mad Tea Party. Okay, so did you read the story at home?
Yes, teacher.
I hope so. Very good. Now, did you also complete the vocabulary or words to learn that I gave you to find in the dictionary to learn at home?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so later I am going to collect the notebooks, your notebooks, okay, to check your homework if you really found the meanings of these words in the dictionary. Okay, let's do that later. Okay, now, first, we will discuss a bit about the words to learn that I ask you to find in the dictionary so that when you encounter these words in the story, because you are going to reread the story later with group mates, okay, when you are going to read the story, you are going to, what? Guess. You are going to come across these words and you will no longer have difficulty in understanding them because you know their meanings already. But first, for this lesson today, you are going to identify the characters, settings, and plot of the story. Remember we discussed about this already? Who are the characters? Where is the setting, the place? And plot of the story are the events or the action that takes place in your story. Then you are going to summarize the story with a partner. Okay, later you are going to do that. You are going to complete a character map also. And in summarizing the story, you must use past tense forms of the verbs. Later I am going to tell you all about this. Okay, so go back to vocabularies or the words to learn that I gave you. Okay, encouraging. Everyone say encouraging.
Encouraging.
Good. So what do we mean? Please read, Alper.
Supportive, giving someone support.
Encouraging means you are being supportive to someone. You are giving them support to do something or like a moral support for them to do something which they like to do. Okay, next. What do you mean by crowded?
Full of people.
Good. Okay, full of people. Example, you went to a stadium and you were shocked because the stadium is full of people, meaning there's no room for any movement because it's very crowded. There's a lot of people inside the stadium. Okay, next. Indignantly. Please read. What do you mean by indignantly?
Displeasure or insult.
Indignantly. In the story, I hope you read it. Alice said something indignantly, in an indignant way, because she was being insulted by the Mad Hatter and by the March Hare and who's the other character in the story? The March Hare and the Hatter. So Alice said something indignantly in a way that is like she felt offensive because of the way they treated her. Okay, next. Number 4. What word is this? Yes, please read. Hastily. Hastily. Say, everyone.
Hastily.
Okay. What
done
do you mean?
Or made with excessive speed.
Hastily, another meaning is hurriedly. You are in a hurry to do something, to finish something. Next word. Conversation. Okay, please read, my dear.
Exchange of thought, feelings, or ideas.
Conversation simply means talking with someone or with other people. You are exchanging thoughts, ideas, or feelings with each other. Understood?
Yes.
Good. Another set of words, remarked. You are going to come across these words later and I want you to understand them well. Remarked mean?
To say something as a comment.
Okay, to say something as a comment. You are giving a comment. So you are talking about some topic and you are saying or giving comments. So that is remarked. Okay, civil. What do you mean by civil? Yes.
Polite without being friendly.
You are talking to someone in a civil way means you are talking in a formal way. You are polite but not being too friendly. Okay, next, last word we have here is curiosity. Everyone say.
Curiosity.
Good. What do you mean by this?
A strong desire to know or learn something.
A strong desire to know or learn something. You are very much motivated to learn or to know something. Out of curiosity, you are very curious. What is that? I want to learn about that. That is how you are being curious. Okay, so now I am going to divide you into Group A and Group B. Okay, so first group will be, in Group A will be Alper, yes, Anna and Tanya. Please, yes, group yourselves here. And in Group B, Milana, Erkayim, and Roger in this place. Now what I would like you to do, you are going to read the first half of the story, Group A. Okay, understood? Alper, Anna, and Tanya, you are going to read from here to here, the first half of the story. So please, reread the story. Next, Group B, Milana, Erkayim, and Roger. This side, please. You will be Group B and you are going to read the second half of the story. Okay? So please stay here. So now, you are going to reread the story first. And then, after that, you are going to brainstorm. Brainstorming means giving ideas. Searching for ideas about the story. And later, after this, you are going to complete a story map. This one. Yes, here I will give you one for each group. Okay? But for now, I want you to reread the story. Yes, Group A and Group B. After rereading the story, after reading the first half, Group B will exchange with Group A. You will now, Group A, read the second half. And you, Group B, will read the first half. Okay? After that, you are going to complete the story map. Okay, you are going to search or identify the characters. You know who the characters are, right? I already discussed this with you yesterday. If you still remember, what are characters? It might be a person, an animal, or any creature in your story. The settings, that is where your story takes place, and the plot of your story tells about the actions and events that took place in the story. So you should have an ending, beginning, and end of your plot here. Remember I discussed this with you yesterday? Good. And then later, I want you to summarize the story with a partner, writing the beginning, middle, and end part of your story. I am going to give you examples how to complete this. Okay? But for now, I want you to, again, group yourselves first and I will help you do the rest. Okay? Thank you.